Hello, and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. You see, you had a lot of work to do. You had to overcome obstacles. But justice isn't blind. Justice is not blind. They see, the universe sees it all. Okay, and they're fair. They're more than fair. They're just. They've seen how hard you worked, and they're going to give a proper verdict. Okay. That will set things in motion for you. Yeah, it just seems like it's been a heavy burden, a lot of pressure, right? A lot of pressure. But once we get over or through this final stage, it's relief. It's a sense of accomplishment, of peace. Okay. It brings peace to your home, to your work, even school, education, if you go to a university or what have you. Yeah. Success. It seems like you even amazed yourself. You know, you're the star. You didn't think that you could get through all of this, but you did. You amazed even yourself and everybody else that doubted you. So yeah, so you have all the tools to move forward, and you have all the knowledge and the wisdom and the understanding and the know-how on all the resources that are available to you to move forward and rebuild a solid foundation for you. Okay. Yeah. We go from barren fields to, fields that are plentiful, in your home, your work, your school. It's beautiful once more. Okay. This message feels very strong, very, very strong. It feels very empowering. Don't be scared by it. Don't be scared by the emotions that this brings. You believed in you. You believed in yourself, and that is more than enough. You don't need anybody else's approval. You don't need anybody else to believe in you. It's just you. You know your strength, you know your worth, you know your value. So, onward. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.